Welcome to Mora F series. What it is? Just look at this beautiful puff sleeve. Look, it's so amazing. Very simple, like 1, 2, 3 or A, B, C. Very simple to do it. Just look how beautiful it has come out. Easy to do it. Easy to do this kind of puff sleeve. So let's get started. You're gonna fold your fabric like you wanna make a bias strip. Fold your fabric like this. Get your length. Get your actual length that you desire. When it comes to puff sleeve, there are different types of how to make a puff sleeve. There are different types of how they one with a band and one there's no band on it. There are different styles. So get your sleeve length. This right here I'm working is 10 inches. So I added 2 inches to it. You can add 3 inches to it. So I'm gonna cut the armhole very long because I want to make a little bit of pleat at the top of the sleeve. A little bit of pleat at the top of the sleeve. So you don't want that pleated style. You just have to measure your actual armhole. So if this 15 inches, you just have to mark 7.5. Get the actual 7.5. Know your length, like I said, then you add your sewing allowance to it. You add 2 inches or 3 inches to it, that'll be normal. Then you make a curve, then you cut it out. It's more IFC, it is what it is. Very simple, easy to do this. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment. Click on notification bells. Anytime I post a new video, you will be updated. It is what it is. So we're gonna cut the same thing like this. You only cut one sleeve if you only want to make one sleeve top. If you want to make 2 sleeves, you make 2 sleeves. So these are the 2 sleeves. As my elastic, this is where the elastic is gonna fix. So let's get on to the sewing machine. Let's do the work there. Before that, you need your safety pin and pin. This is what you're gonna measure. You measure it, make sure you measure it very tight to hold it down. Remember I said I want to make a little pleated. I want to make a pleat at the top, so I'm measuring it so that I know what is left for me to make a pleat. If you want the pleated to be more, you just have to cut it longer. A little bit of long, the armhole is supposed to be very long so that you're able to get a lot of pleats. But I just want to make like 4 steps of pleats at the top. It's more IFC, it is what it is. Hey, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment. Click on the notification bell so you never miss any of my tutorials. There are different type of puff sleeve out there. There are different type of puff sleeve. We are getting along. You're gonna do all type of puff sleeve. So it has been done. You see how beautiful, amazing. We ain't done yet, but you can see how it's coming out. So you're gonna do the same thing to the other side. Yeah, the other side being done. We're gonna sew on the wrong side. So the right side of the right side will face together, and we sew on the wrong side of the sleeve. Because of tutorial sake, I don't want to sew and go throughout. I just want to sew and reach to the certain edge, and I'll stop, then I'll continue. Don't use your hand to cut the thread. Use your scissor to cut the thread. Make sure you make a double stitch. Really strong double stitch. Where is my tape measure? I'm looking for my tape measure. It's very far away from where I stand. But make sure you have your safety pin and you have your pin as well. Let me grab my tape measure. I'll have to put that one aside and let's deal with it. You fold the first one, not too big, and you fold the second one. Because it's a circle, you're gonna have a little bit of challenge when you do it this way. That's the honest truth. For the easy for you, you fold the first one, then you sew on top. You just go around, then you come and add the second one to it. Yeah, it's time. You're gonna eat your time, but hey, you want it easier way. But when you do it this way, you're gonna have some little bit of challenging because it's a circle. It's not a straight. When you're working with a circle have a curve. So you're gonna have some little bit of challenge when you go to the curve side. But before you start, when you sew, you double stitch and you sew, you leave like 1 inch or 1.5 inch space. Then you make a double stitch, then you continue sewing through. I left a space there, that's what I'm checking to see. We need that space open because that is where we're gonna put our elastic gonna pass through. That's the place our elastic is going to pass through. So if you didn't leave a space, I don't know where you're gonna fix your elastic, where is it gonna pass, so you have to leave a space. You make a double stitch. When you end, you start to make a double stitch, then you continue. Hey, don't forget to subscribe. So this is the space being left out. Get your safety pin. Pin it to one side of the elastic and get your actual pin as well. Pin it together with the elastic, with the fabric. Pin it together with the fabric. Then we're gonna hold on to the safety pin. Then we're gonna pass through. Just like that. So simple, easy to do it. Puff sleeve. poof, some people will say poof, some people will say puff, some people, hey, poof, puff, poof, puff, poof, puff is all the same. We are almost done. We are almost done with the puff or poof sleeve, how you call it. So you can see, then you take your safety pin out, then you take the pin out from that edge, then you join them together like this, then you make a zigzag stitch. Make a zigzag stitch, joining them with a zigzag. It's Mora FC. It is what it is. Yeah, this is your guy. This is your man, John Agent. So you just have to pull it back in. Then we top stitch and close that edge. That is it. We done. When you close that edge, that part, you done. Now wait and see the outcome. It's very important that you see the outcome. So then just run away. Stay tuned. Keep watching. Keep learning. Keep subscribing. Keep commenting. Keep sharing. It is what it is. Voila, shalom, Zaba, peace. So let's see how it turned out to be. You can see it. You can see it has formed. That's already formed. Thank you for watching.